I was just able to claim my me token right here, and I was able to sell it at about $1,714. That's above the price of $5 that we are seeing right here. And this is how you can claim yours. I know the app may be glitchy. Now this is how to do it. Now log into the Magic Eden app. Now deposit at least a $10. All right, now you will see the banner at the top that says claim. You click on it. Now when you click on it, it will take you into the 𝗦𝗚𝗠𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 desktop, just like we check our location, but you can't claim with desktop. Then click on claim, click on proceed. It will say you are eligible. Click on proceed. Now when you click on proceed, for me this was glitchy. Now it will take you to this section where it says claim token. Now you choose the fee you want to pay, either standard, fast, or turbo. Now in my case I chose fast. At first fast wasn't working, so I chose turbo, and then at some point I have to close the app and open it. So but the most effective is actually fast. Yeah, fast. Now when you click claim, just hold on as it's coming up. It will bring out an authentication for you to confirm. Now once you confirm that, the next thing is that it will tell you that tokens claimed successfully. From there you can send it to Binance, Bybit, OKX, or Mexi, or any other exchange to sell it. Or if you want to hold it, or you can as well just swap it on Jupe on your Phantom wallet.
So now let's say you can choose either from Binance or Bybit. Now if you're choosing like Binance right here, you just need to deposit, or if you are choosing Bybit, it's still the same way to deposit into Bybit. Now when you click in the case of Bybit, you have to do some transfer in between the Bybit interface before you can sell. So for me, that's why I chose Binance, because you can sell directly. So to deposit, all you need to do is click on deposit, then click on deposit crypto, then search me, just the way I'm searching mine right here. So you scroll all the way down, because there are other crypto that has the name me in it. Click on me right there, you can see the logo right there. Click okay, copy the address right there. Now when you copy the address, ensure that you double copy, double check, triple check to ensure that you're copying the right address. Then go back to the Magic Eden app right here, Magic Eden app. So in my own case, you could see my transaction history, the one I sent out right here. You see I sent out about $245 me, yeah, 245 me. I sent it directly by now. So you put it on the me app and then you send it out. Now when you send it out, it will reflect on your Binance, and you could sell it just by simply going to markets and searching for the token me, because it will reflect directly on your Binance app. That's unlike the Bybit, where you have to do some in between wallet transfer. It's kind of direct. But if you're using Bybit anyways, it's still the same way, it's still the same buying and selling process. So all you need to do is to search the name of the token me, or just go to new. Now when you see there, click on sell. When you click on sell, it will take you to, you change that market from limit to market rather, because you want to sell it at market price. Enter the amount right there, then you click on sell, and it will be sold to USDT immediately. Now if you want to set a limit, let's say you want to set to sell at a particular price later, so we could actually set that. Let's say you want to sell it at $13. I can enter my quantity right here. So when it gets to the price line of $13, then I'll have a successful sell. All right, so if I click on sell right after setting the limit order will be shown up. So that's it. That's just pretty odd. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.